simplify 3 root 2 minus root 32 plus root 50 plus root 98. 3 root 2 solution minus 32 can be written as 4 into 8 plus root 50 can be written as 2 into 25. Root 98 can be written as 49 into 2. 3 root 2 minus root a into root b plus root 2 into root 25, root 49 into root 2, because root of ab is equals to root of a root of b. 3 root 2 minus root 4 can be written as 2, root 8 can be written as 4 into 2, plus root 2 root 25 is equals to 5 plus 7 into root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 into 2 root 2, because root 4 is equals to 2, plus root 2 into 5 plus 7 into root 2. 3 root 2 minus 4 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 7 root 2. Root 2 common, 3 minus 4 plus 5 plus 7. Root 2, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 minus 4 is 11. The answer is 11 root 2. Thank you.